In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting agendas in Confluence. If you've ever walked into a meeting unsure of what's coming, this quick guide will fix that. We'll start from a blank page and end with a clear, shareable agenda that keeps everyone aligned. First, sign into Confluence and head to the space where your team keeps its project pages. Choosing the right space matters because it controls who can view and edit your agenda. When you're there, click Create to open a fresh page. You don't need to worry about formatting from scratch. Confluence has you covered. From the template picker, select Meeting Notes. This template includes ready-made sections for the meeting title, date, attendees, agenda topics, and action items. Using it gives your meetings a consistent structure and makes it easy for teammates to find what they need later. Start by filling in the key details. Add a clear meeting title that states the purpose, like sprint planning or quarterly review. Enter the date and time, and if your team is distributed, note the time zone to avoid confusion. In the attendees field, list who should join. Tag specific people so they're notified, and keep the list focused on the folks who truly need to be there. By the way, if you're new to this tool, there's a link to the Confluence website at the very top of the description so you can get started or learn more. Now, move to the agenda section and outline the topics you plan to cover. Keep each item short and action-oriented. If timing matters, add an estimate next to each topic, like 5 minutes for updates or 10 minutes for decisions. Order the items from highest to lowest priority, so essential discussions happen first, and combine similar topics to reduce context switching. If you want to capture follow-ups, use the Action Items section. Assign each task to a clear owner, describe the expected outcome, and include a due date. This turns talking points into trackable commitments and makes post-meeting reviews effortless. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your agenda becomes a live page that anyone with access can view. Share the page link with attendees and encourage them to review it ahead of time. Add notes or comment with questions. That way your meeting starts focused and ends with clear next steps. And that's it. Your meeting agenda in Confluence is ready. Thanks for watching.